Hey everybody, this is Vinny with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of some of the most useful and versatile Excel tools out there. My goal for the last 16 years has been twofold. One of it, to provide the best value for your tools, and second, to provide the best white glove service like nobody else out there. So hopefully this tool will help you, like it's helped thousands. I believe we have over 7,400 happy clients as of this recording. And in addition, if you've got any questions, or if you've got regarding this or any of our other tools, we've got a few dozen tools. Feel free to browse on the website. Please give me a call. Here's my phone number. Here's my email. Feel free to call me directly. One of the biggest things that surprises people, surprises my clients when they actually call, is that I cannot believe that you actually picked up the phone. Nobody does that. So if you've got any questions, by all means, give me a call. Just a little bit of background on me. I've been building these software tools for the last 16 years. I've been a developer, and I've been helping, as I mentioned a little bit earlier, over 7,400 clients as of right now. Every week I get a handful of emails. We've got probably tens of hundreds of emails of people just kind of emailing me and telling how my tools have made your life a little bit better, how easy they were to use, and how much they've appreciated the whole process. So please keep those coming. Feel free to browse through our Google reviews. Right now, I believe we've got about 115 Google reviews of very happy customer. I believe we have one negative review there. Feel free to check that one out as well. And yeah, that's kind of my goal. So today, what I'm trying to show you is our address validation software. It is a software that validates and fixes and standardizes addresses from a list of incomplete addresses. As all of my tools is built in Excel, there is nothing to install. Once you download the tool from the link in the description, feel free to click on that and download that. Let me show you how easy it is to have the tool. Let's say you have a list of addresses from maybe for your clients, or from a list that you received from one of your service providers that are incomplete. And they are, maybe they're missing a city, maybe they're not standardized, maybe they're all kind of all over the place. What my tool does will take those physical addresses and convert them to a standardized USPS address. So once you've entered your incomplete addresses, all you got to do is click on the Run button. And the tool, as you can see, just like by magic, will fix those addresses, will add whatever it's missing, will standardize them, and it'll provide two different formats for you. One where the full address in a standard USPS address is in one cell, and also in multiple cells if you need it that way. So that way you have both, the best of both worlds. It also provides latitude and longitude, the geocodes of that address. Again, you might or might not need that, but it's a great way to clean up your list of customers or your list of your leads, etc. If you're trying to send maybe some information, some marketing materials, it's a great way to kind of clean up those addresses so that you can do that. Whether it is to send them via postal office, or enter them or upload them into your CRM or ERP system. It really should be as easy as that. As I mentioned, there is nothing to install, just Excel. You'll need to purchase the tool. Again, the link for that tool is in the description of the video. Feel free to take a look at a lot of other videos as well, and a lot of our tools as well. As I mentioned, we've got over a few dozen tools there that we've been building over the years, and hopefully some of them will be helpful to you. Thank you for watching this, and till next time.